Have you ever pondered the intriguing possibility of coding artificial intelligence in an ancient language, say Sanskrit? Today, we're going to unravel this fascinating process step by step. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been a game-changing technology, transforming countless aspects of modern life. But what makes this discussion truly intriguing is the language we're choosing for coding. Sanskrit, a classical language with a rich history dating back thousands of years. Now, why Sanskrit? Well, Sanskrit's grammar is known to be exceptionally systematic, making it a suitable candidate for computational linguistics. As a high-level language, it is believed to be closer to machine languages in terms of precision, making it an interesting choice for AI programming. To start, it's important to understand that we're not literally writing lines of code in Sanskrit. Instead, we're using Sanskrit's grammatical rules and structure as a framework to build and shape our AI models and algorithms. Step 1 is to familiarize oneself with Sanskrit grammar. This ancient language has a highly structured and logical grammar, which can be mapped to mathematical logic. Understanding the rules of Sandhi, Samasa, and Karaka is crucial, as they will serve as the foundation for coding. Once we have a good grasp of these grammatical concepts, we move to step 2, translating these rules into a programming language. Python, with its simplicity and flexibility, is a popular choice. The goal here is to create a program that can understand and interpret Sanskrit text using the rules we've learned. Step 3 involves training our AI model. We feed it a large amount of Sanskrit text, allowing it to learn the language's syntax and semantics. Over time, the model can predict and understand Sanskrit texts, and can even generate new text. The final step is the implementation of the model. Here, we can apply the model to various AI applications, from natural language processing tasks like translation and sentiment analysis, to more complex tasks like automated reasoning and decision-making. In conclusion, coding AI in Sanskrit is a multifaceted process that involves understanding the Sanskrit grammar, translating it into a programming language, training an AI model with Sanskrit texts, and finally, implementing the model in various AI applications. The key takeaway here is that Sanskrit's highly systematic grammar and its similarity to machine languages make it a promising avenue for AI development. This process not only brings together the old and the new, but also opens up a whole new realm of possibilities in the field of AI. So the next time you think about AI, remember, it's not just about one S and zero S. It's also about ancient languages like Sanskrit. Who knows, the future of AI might just be hiding in the past. And with that, we come to the end of our discussion. Remember, in the world of technology, the only constant is change. So stay curious, stay open, and keep exploring.